Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to earn money on YouTube without recording any videos or showing your face on camera. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I'm making this video because I know it's a lot of people out there that hear about YouTube and they want to make money from YouTube, but they don't necessarily want to record videos or show their face on camera. And when I look at my channel, because my channel isn't niche specific, it doesn't have a specific niche around it. I designed my channel so I can post any and everything I want and get monetized and receive money for that on my channel. But what I notice is the videos in which I don't show my face or use footage from, that I've recorded, the videos which I use stock footage and, I may use a meditation audio. Those videos get a lot of views on my channel. And I'm going to be promoting more of these. I'm going to be creating more of these videos. And I just want to share the method for anybody out there that want to make money on YouTube but don't necessarily want to create the video themselves or show their face on camera. It is a way you can create YouTube videos and still get money without being on camera and, displaying your personal life. Now, first, before we get started on the method, I want to show you an example of this. Now, this channel is called Meditation Relax Music. And on this channel, all they do is they promote meditation audio. And that's what we're going to be doing here to show you this method. Showing you how to create a meditation channel on YouTube. Now, this is a way you can create videos on YouTube without using, your own footage and without using your voice or your image or your picture. You don't have to get on camera. All you have to do is use stock videos, stock photos, and get your audio created. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do this. Now, you see this channel, it's been around. They have over 2.1 million subscribers on this meditation channel. And the thing you got to understand about self-help, meditation, audio, law of attraction, these topics on YouTube, these video topics about meditation, audio, personal development, things of that nature, they pay out a lot more than entertaining content. This content has a very high CPM, compared to the average $5 CPM on YouTube. You will be seeing, anywhere from $15 to $30 per 1,000 views on meditation, audio, and personal development. And when we look at this page, we can go to a website called Social Blade, right? And Social Blade just basically shows you an estimate of the performance of this channel. And you can see right here that it's estimated that they're making $39,000 per month on this channel from uploading meditation audios. Now, this is a rough estimate. Social Blade is known to be incorrect. It's probably way more. People have shown their Social Blade account, they probably got 10,000 more. So this channel could potentially be making $50,000 per month just by uploading meditation audios. Like I've said, you don't know the owner of this account. I could be the owner of this account. You don't know that. But that's the thing about this. Like, nobody, the owner, you don't have to come forward. You can just claim, your AdSense revenue, and nobody has to know you. The goal, I talked about this on another video, but the goal in life is to be a rich nobody. You don't want to necessarily have all of the attention, all the eyes on you when you acquire a lot of money, because it, brings certain people. So you want to be a rich nobody. Now, on this video, I'm about to show you how to create this, how to create a channel like this, and, just showing you the potential earnings you can make. Even if you were making $10,000 extra per month, wouldn't that do something in your life? It would allow you to live anywhere you want in America. You would be able to cover your monthly rent payments, and you could travel anytime you want, any month, and save. So, why not? So this is how you do it. First, you want to gather your images, your pictures. You want to source all of your pictures, all of your videos from Pixels. Now, Pixels is a website completely free. All of the images and videos you find on Pixel, you are able to use commercially and earn money from. So you want to come to Pixels, right? You want to find images. They got great images, man. Great images you could use for meditation audios. And like I said, y'all get on this because I'm going to be applying this more and more on my channel. I already applied it on my channel. I'm going to show y'all examples at the end, but you want to get on this ASAP. It's a lot of money to be made in the summer and it's upcoming winter on YouTube. So you can come on here, get a lot of stock images. They got a lot of quality stock images and quality stock videos on here. You can use the same one and literally loop it in iMovie or a video editing software. You will need a video editing software. So you go to Pixels to source your videos for the meditation audio. Now, to actually create the meditation audio, you would go to Fiverr. Now, you go to Fiverr and you just search for meditation music. That's all you gotta do. And on here, people are creating meditation audios for $5, $20, $15, right? And you invest. And the goal is to create, you need at least 33 videos, right? This is the whole method. You need at least 33 videos, right? And once you do that, you'll begin to build your watch time. You'll begin to build your numbers on YouTube. And as you can see, like, these meditation audios get numbers like 100 million, 88 million, 40 million, 28 million, 23 million. They get numbers. So you create your 33 videos, you invest, right? You take your time, invest, and really plan this out and do it. But just take action. Like, plan it out by downloading the video you want. Plan it out by buying one audio first and create the video. Now, you will need a software like iMovie to create this video. I will have to do that in another video, just giving you a tutorial on how to create a video. But basically, this is all you will have to do. Once you find your stock video, from Pixels, you would download it. You basically would just download this video, and you will open up an iMovie, right? You will open up iMovie, and then you will add the audio that you bought from Fiverr. You would add the audio in, and then you would add the video and repeat it over and keep duplicating. You will see a button that says duplicate, and then you would duplicate the video over and over and over and over again. Or if you don't see the duplicate button, just keep adding the photo in or stretch the video. You should be able to stretch the video to match the length of the audio. And you want to have all of your meditation audios over 10 minutes. As long as it's over 10 minutes, you're good. This channel, they have audios that's 10 hours long, 3 hours long. So when you get these audios from these different creators on Fiverr, they do different ones, like 30 hours. This person will create 30 hours of royalty-free music for $55. So you have 30 hours of audio that you can use. You can create videos for, and you will own it. You will own all of this audio. You'll be able to monetize it on YouTube. And that is what so many other channels are doing. And this is a secret method. This is a secret method. You can pay for this information, or you can listen to this video and just take it for free. But yeah, this is my video for today. And just to show y'all an example of on my channel, you can see right here, like, even the welcome video is called Attract 100,000 watching this video daily. Now, this video is footage that I had in stock footage mixed with a meditation audio, designed to help people further manifest using the law of attraction. Is designed to accelerate people's manifestation practice. It's designed for a meditation. So I made a lot of videos like this, and as you can see, these videos get a lot of views on my channel. They get way more views than the other views. Like this one got over 150,000 views on my channel. So, I'm gonna be producing more of these videos just by using stock video footage and using Fiverr to source my meditation audio. So this is a way to, blow up on YouTube without showing your face and without recording any videos on your own. YouTube, a lot of people want to do YouTube. A lot of people want to do YouTube, but the thing about it is becoming consistent. Is you have to remain consistent, you have to remain creative. And if you could buy it, you know what I'm saying? You could literally go on here and find a creative video, then go on here and find the audio you need. And all you have to do is put that together and upload it on YouTube, and you getting paid. Like, that's the winning method. You don't have to show your face. All you have to do is think of a creative name, look at these creative titles they use, and, create your own version of that, and you'll win. I'm telling you. So it's your boy Yon World. That's how to make money on YouTube without recording videos or showing your face. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.